Today we are taking a quick walking tour of the 2002 Luhrs 36 convertible Lady B. She sits here at her slip in Destin. A few of the really nice things about the boat is she does have a tuna door that completely opens to a swim platform with a mount for an Armstrong dive ladder. She also has the fully built fish box, a very large live well with a bait prep station, a 2-drawer tackle locker, and one of the nice upgrades this boat has is the in-step bait freezer. Now that is an option. That's not standard equipment. That is an option. Going inside, the boat has absolutely gorgeous soft goods and wood. We have a refrigerator and a separate freezer. Of course, the boat comes with Corian countertops, stainless sink, coffee maker, and microwave. To keep you entertained, we have a Philips TV with direct TV service, a Fusion AM/FM CD changer with a 10-disc CD changer with it. Stepping downstairs, while you notice this large and airy salon, but stepping downstairs, we have a bunk room to starboard, and we have a separate shower to port, and of course a vacuum flush head. Now, one of the nice features, even though this is just a 36-footer, we have a very large island bunk up forward with its own TV. And of course, beautiful woodwork all around. Even though this is a 2002, it feels like a very luxurious boat. And this has been a quick walking tour of the aft deck and salon of Lady B, the 2002 Luhrs 36, as she sits here in Destin Harbor. Thank you.